After advising his followers not to bet the farm on Shiba, it appears Elon Musk himself is now betting the farm on Shiba. After a caustic comment on Twitter that pretty much condemned Shiba as a project without value, we finally got some information that Tesla, owned by Elon Musk, will now be accepting. The irony isn't possible to overlook, but the implications for Shiba are simply amazing. First, we begin some splendid news. Yesterday, at Shiba Inu Art announced on Twitter that Shiba Inu will be listed on Kraken the following day, that is today. This is huge for Shiba Inu. The month of October was pretty much a slew of listings for Shiba, and now the token has managed to land another huge listing. This time on Kraken. By trade volume, Kraken is number 5 on the list of crypto exchanges. It is one of the largest and oldest exchanges in the world and has been named as one of the best places online to trade crypto. The platform prides itself in its excellent services, low fees, versatile funding options and rigorous security standards. And speaking of security, Kraken has been said to be the most secure exchange in the world. The exchange has never ever been hacked, which is not surprising considering the exchange's commitment to security. The exchange ranks first with a perfect score on crypto exchange security review site CER and hasn't been hacked in the 10 years since it was founded. This is a claim that even Binance, the industry's mainstay, cannot make. So, this is splendid news for Shiba. Kraken is available to residents of 48 U.S. states and 176 countries. This gives Shiba massive exposure, which will turn into massive demand and a surge in price. And there's still more good news. More platforms are joining the Flip for Doge movement. A movement, I must add, was not started by the SHIB army or a dev team. These were organically started by different platforms who wanted to join the SHIB hysteria. And now, one more platform has joined the movement. It all started in the Shiba subreddit when news hit the streets that Tesla's website back-end payment processing code revealed that the company will be accepting SHIB as a method of payment. The code is currently not enabled to the public and comes under the banner Apple Pay and case banner Bitcoin and Shiba. Anyway, as usual, the entire thing seemed too good to be true, especially since Elon Musk expressed how he truly felt about Shiba not too long ago. The tech billionaire also revealed that he owned no SHIB. So, imagine everyone's surprise when the news hit. Well, while everyone was still racking their brains, some other super bright people started looking at the source code to confirm that it was actually true. Calderia, a Shiba developer, went through the code and confirmed it. Here are his thoughts, which he put out in a tweet. I verified on Tesla site, there could be few possibilities. 1. Elon Musk trolling SHIB army. 2. Someone at Tesla is SHIB army trolling Elon Musk to support SHIB. 3. Shiba is a code name for some dog currency. 4. SHIB is coming. In any case, please, do your own research, and don't stake your farm. Now, which of these options do you think is most likely? I think I like the sound of 4. So, I'm going with 4. But I also have other bigger reasons why I'm going with that. At the beginning of the year, Tesla sank $1.5 billion into Bitcoin, and then shortly after, Elon Musk announced that his company, Tesla, would be accepting Bitcoin payments for its electric vehicles. However, the electric automaker will later come out and rescind its decision, citing environmental concerns. Bitcoin runs what is called a proof-of-work mechanism. This means that for transactions to be verified on the Bitcoin network, the validator needs to solve some complex math puzzles. The problem with this method is that the validator needs to use a sophisticated computer with high computing power. This demands a lot of energy, which Elon Musk has made clear on many occasions that he does not support, seeing as it is bad for the Earth. Now, if there's anything that's well known about Elon Musk, it's his love for the art. I mean, he literally makes electric cars because he wants the world saying goodbye to fossil fuel burning. With such a well-known reputation, it would be hypocritical for Musk to turn around and accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin, as both use a proof-of-work mechanism that is very energy inefficient. That leaves them with the Shiba option. Currently, Shiba operates on the Ethereum network. And although Ethereum also uses a proof-of-work mechanism, The entire network will be Ethereum 2.0 in a bit, which will make Ethereum faster, more efficient, and more scalable. Plus, Ethereum 2.0 will be using a proof-of-stake mechanism, which is far more efficient than a proof-of-work. Here's how proof-of-stake model works. To become a validator on the blockchain, all the user has to do is stake the network's token. So, based on how much they staked and for how long they've staked the tokens, a random user could be selected to validate a new transaction. And then the other validators can then attest that they have seen a block. When the network has had enough attestations, a new block can be added to the blockchain, and then validators are rewarded for their time. As you can see, it is way less energy intensive than the proof-of-work concept. Ethereum finally makes the upgrade. Shiba Inu will become one of the greenest cryptos on the blockchain. Plus, don't forget that Shibarium is coming soon, which will do away with the Ether gas fees altogether. Shibarium will, thus, make SHIB transactions more affordable and more efficient, making SHIB the only workable option for a company like